The only tool that you will need to install the stand in an LG TV is a Phillips head screwdriver, number 2. In the packaging with the television, you'll find the stands and you'll find screws. Some of our stands take 2 screws, some of our stands take 3 screws. This model takes 2. Now, to install the stand on the television, if you notice, there's a dial pin and a hook. This dial pin will go in this hole, and this hook will go inside this hole and slide up at a counterclockwise rotation to lock into place. When this is all the way in, I will slide the stand and you'll hear it, you'll feel it catch. That will lock it into place. The 2 screws one will go in the center of the linear portion of the leg. The other side, the dial pin again, will go in this hole. I will line the hook up inside the hole, and I will turn this one clockwise, and it will snap into place. The screws should be tight, but not overly tight. Pull on the stand just slightly. Make sure it's not loose. Now you're ready to stand the TV up.